everyone, it's Christina from Christina's Crafts. I am making a couple more decorations today. I am using these chalkboard tags that I got from Dollar Tree and these ornaments that I got from Walmart, I believe. I got these on clearance last year. I'm sure they always have stuff similar to that, and I'm pretty sure Dollar Tree always has these tags. So what I'm going to do, I already did those, is I have my glue gun it's cooling down right now. I have my silicone mat here, and I'm going to fill in this hole here with my hot glue. As you can see, it's not that hot. So I'm just going to push my hot glue down in there to fill this hole up. And then I'm just going to kind of scrape this extra hot glue off around here. Like that. All right, so that's filled in right there. And I'm going to do the same thing with this one. I already did the other two. Tested it out first to make sure it was going to work good. Kind of move it around a little bit so it gets all in the hole. Push that down. There, that one turned out way better than the other one. This was the worst one that I did out of all of them. Okay, then what I'm going to do is I have these little diamonds here. Can't remember 100% where I got these from, but I am going to stick these on my little signs here. Should probably heat my hot glue gun back up. See if it's warm enough. Probably good it's not too warm because I'd totally burn my fingers right now. Alright, and then I am going to stick one of these on each side. I should have a tweezers right now is what I should have. So, about the same on that side. Oh, hot glue, always in my way. Let's see if I can get that a little cleaner over there. That one just didn't turn out the best. All right, and then I got these that I got from Walmart, and I'm actually gonna snip these off. I don't know that I want to use this one again. I think I'm just gonna snip it off. I actually think this is gonna look really cute, and I really wish that I had more of these. Okay, so now this little ribbon is not exactly on straight, so I'm just going to take it off and replace it so it's on there straight. Alright, and then I am going to hot glue this to that. Just like that. I think that's going to make a cute little ornament. Alright, I'm going to get the other three done, and this project is actually almost done. So, I could probably do one more here with you. These actually might stick without hot glue. This was my remedy right here for covering that hole. I was going to take the ornaments and let me just rip that off of there. And I was going to put them this way, but I just didn't really like the way that looked because I kind of cut the top and the bottom off. So I thought that looked way better. So snip this off and then take this crooked bow off and re-put it on there. Little hot glue on the back of this. Yeah, if I actually get a chance to go to the store, I might just see if they have any of these this year. These little ones, and make some more of these because I think they're going to look really cute on the Christmas tree. Alright, I'm going to get the other two done then. So I have them all done, and I just want to say if you find these, be very careful when you rip the ribbons off, because I ripped the paper on both of these and now they kind of looks like crap. But anyways, I debated, I don't have any more small black ribbon, so I'm just going to use my jute cord on here. I think that's probably going to look best. Or natural jute, yeah. And I wish I had some more smaller black ribbon, but it's all kind of thick. And you know, if you go and try to cut that down, it doesn't always look good and it starts fraying. So I'm just gonna go ahead and take my cord and attach it to the back here. And just like that. And then of course I'm going to take this and get some of that fuzz off of there. Alright, that is it. They're all finished. Like I said, I wish I had more of these. I think they turned out really cute. You'll have to let me know what you think. I know I got a lot of ornament videos coming out and they're all pretty quick, so not a lot to them, but I just want to say thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. I would love it if you subscribe, share the video, give me a thumbs up, and take care. Thanks for watching. Bye.